MEV Bots, the high-frequency trading ninjas of crypto that make millions by seeing your transactions before they happen. Short for maximal extractable value, these automated money machines turn blockchain inefficiencies into profit. Imagine you're making a trade on Uniswap. Your transaction is waiting in the mempool, crypto's waiting room. That's where MEV Bots spot their opportunity. They can see your pending trade and jump in front with their own transaction, manipulating prices to profit from your move. Classic MEV strategies: sandwich attacks, buying before you, selling after you; arbitrage, spotting price differences across exchanges; liquidation sniping, hunting for leveraged positions about to get wiped out. These bots fight each other in a high-stakes game of microsecond warfare. The secret sauce? Flashbots, a marketplace where bots bribe miners to order transactions their way. Pay enough, and your bot's transaction gets priority. It's like paying the bouncer to cut the line, but with algorithms. Want to run your own MEV bot? You'll need deep pockets for gas fees, lightning-fast infrastructure, and coding skills to rival Silicon Valley. Most profitable strategies are closely guarded secrets, with teams making 100K plus daily. But MEV is controversial. Critics say it's predatory trading that hurts regular users. Defenders argue it makes markets more efficient. Either way, as long as there's profit to extract, MEV bots will keep racing through the mempool. Think of MEV as Wall Street's high-frequency trading meets crypto, a digital gold rush where code is king and milliseconds mean millions. This has been MEV Bots in 100 seconds. Keep safe and see you in the next one.